Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Canadian Rust. Today I'm going to be doing a little work on the 528i. Gonna show the wiring for the tail lights, because in my last tail light video I didn't do a good job explaining the wiring. So we're going to get to that. That's open. So there we are. I think I'm just going to give it a little start for now. I haven't started for a few days. And there we go. Let's fire this puppy up. She is dirty. Oh, hurts. Fire's right up. Okay, so tools, got my test light, got wire crimper, where are these things? I got, butt joint connectors with shrink wrapping on them, the eyelets, and yeah, anyways, we'll get to it here in a second. As you see, the light for the bulbs is on. I'm gonna hopefully show you how to get rid of that. So let's do it. Oh, it's windy and cold. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the car connection off here. Then I'm gonna butt connect the wires together properly. On mine, they're all the same colors, so you just attach same wire to the same wire, and then I'll show you what I got going on with this little guy back here, and then I'll show you how to seal up the lights for waterproofing, because I do it dirty style. We got ourselves some quick seal. That this is for kitchen and bathroom adhesive, and yeah, so I'll show you what to do with that here after I wire up the lights, and hopefully get rid of that bulb error on the dash. Alrighty, let's do it. Okay, so you do it to cut these off. Don't just cut the whole bundle at once. You might short something out. Cut one wire at a time. And if you're going to, like if this was going to go back in some sort of tubing, you'd want to stagger your cuts so you don't just have this big huge lump of, you know, connectors right in one spot. But that's what I'm going to be doing. So pretty much that, you get the idea. Alrighty, so connector's off. Where'd it go? There's a connector. That's in the car. The way I do it is I'm gonna strip one wire at a time, but connect it and hook it to the tail light. That way you don't have any shorts, because I still have the battery attached. Or you could just unattach the battery and do it that way, but I'm pretty lazy, so this way's better for me. starting to get dark here. Might have to finish this video tomorrow. Alrighty, we're back. It's the next day. Got too dark and cold last night. It's actually nice warm today. I got all the connectors done. All that's left is this one, which went to a marker light on the old side of tail lights. So what I did was get a 2-wire bulb with the incandescent light in it. This actually came from one of my old Jeeps. And then you hook this wire to that, the other one to the ground, and then this light bulb lights up, and I just stuff it down in that hole, and it makes it like light up like that. I like it the way it looks. But let me get this butt connected on, connector in, and we'll see if that light goes out on the dash, and then we'll do the same for the other side. Okay, so here's what that looks like. Marker light, bulb, and then you just ground that to one of the studs on the inside of the car. Also, you want to make sure your plug's clean, which this one is not. Now I'm going to take the light out and show you how to dap it. And not the dap you're thinking of. This dap. It says it's supposed to be applied in weather above 4 degrees. It clearly isn't here, but in the sun, it feels like it. So I'm going to get this tail light out, and then we'll put a bead of dap on it. Alright, now the light's out, I'm going to do it dirty style. Put a nice bead of silicone all along here. Nice and big and thick on there, all the way around till there. And that should seal it. Should. I guess if you had enough of the old stuff, you could put that on there all the way around, and then just silicone it here and here after you put it around. But I don't know. I don't think I have any. Oh goodness. Anyways, get back to you after I get the bead on. Alright, got my bead on. Don't be shy. Oh, kind of bright. We got her on there nice and thick. So then that's just gonna smother once you seal it. If you don't like this way, I wouldn't suggest doing it then. Alright, let's get the light back in. Oh, hold on. I'm gonna get some WD-40 down in there. Okay, silicone trick didn't work so well. You can see it only touched in a few places, so I found the old stuff, and we're just gonna, we're just gonna try to make it work. Alright, I got that foam back on. Let's hope it's gonna be not too thick. Oh man. Let's see. Now with the foam in, it doesn't squish down quite enough. But the foam's in there. So I guess it's either a little bit of water leaking or light not in perfectly. Or you could just use thinner foam. I'm gonna leave it like that for now because it's not really bothering me. Okay, got this side all wired up. Left over with a white wire with a brown stripe. That's the one that's gonna go to your 2-wire bulb. Alright, we got this light out. Same thing, clean inside the plug, bead it caulking, and I got that. Might wanna shave it down somehow. Figure that out on a nicer day. Alright, get to it. Alright, lights back in, fired up, heat and shrink wrapped. Let's see if the message went out. Might have to reset. Alright, we're in. I wonder if that's because I'm gonna try to reset it, I guess. I just made a discovery. So, I have my test light in, so another incandescent light tied in to the ground. It's lit. Now that's going to the LED marker light, like the LED. So that's the purple wire. Oh, it just came back on. Shoot. Did turn it out. There. See that? It's out. And I'll do it to the other side just to see if my theory's right. There, I got it lit up. Now you can see the other side's out. Alright, so now I gotta somehow tie this wire into this one. I think that's what I'm gonna do, and then we'll see what happens. Okay, so I have a jumper wire going from the purple wire with darker purple, whatever. So I just got to dirty jump to the extra third light bulb I put in from the gray and green wire. I jumped the purple wire to that one, so it's lighting up that bulb. And now if we look, so just gonna do the same to this side, but with this gray and white wire, and then the white and brown wire. You jump those together to light up that light. So here, I'll do it right quick so you can see. See? Warning. Okay, as you see, got it all matched in, and then you just shove it inside of there. Well, do a better job than me, but all right, see it? Jump there to there, and now, oh, it's still on. Ta-da! Right on. Let's enjoy this together, shall we? Trunk closed. Door closed. Aha! There we go. So hopefully this video works for you. Yeah, thanks for watching. So like and subscribe. If hopefully this video wiring detail was a lot better. So remember, the spare wire, hook it to a 2-wire light, and then hooked the purple wire into the 2-wire bulb, if that makes sense. But as you can see, oh, I just pulled it out. I'm gonna do a better job with wiring, but that's just quick and dirty to show you. So, all right, thanks for watching. Have a good one.